Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. I'm the mum of one little boy called George who is almost 2 years old. If you can hear a really annoying noise in the background, that is my little boy next door in his bedroom with my partner playing with his toys. But yes, so like I said, I'm fairly new to this. I'm really enjoying though filming and editing videos. It's something that I'm really enjoying and I just want to keep up. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you my monthly favourites. A few people that I'm already subscribed to, they do this every month, and I thought it'd be a nice idea if I filmed my own. I've got quite a nice selection of things here, and I just thought it'd be nice to share with you my favourite things because I feel like you guys might like them too. So before we get into the video, if you like today's video, please leave it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I've split this sort of sections into 3 different sections. So I've got beauty bits, I then got some home/cleaning bits, and then I've also got some foodie bits as well. So I think I'm going to start with beauty bits first. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is this body spray. Now this is by Lush, and as I'm sure you're all aware, Lush is just the most amazing smelling store in the world. And I actually have got inspiration from this from my cousin, and she has this for spraying over her duvets and her pillows to help her sleep. And every time I go around there, her room, and in fact the whole house now because she sprays her room that much, it just smells so relaxing and calm, and it's just such a nice environment to be in. And obviously because of my little boy not sleeping, we're having quite trouble sleeping at night time as well, so I'm willing to give anything a try. So I picked up a bottle of this from the Lush store, and it's called Twilight. I think they do a few different ones, and it says it's a body spray, but we're using it as like a sleep spray just to spray over our duvets and things at night, and it really does help us go off to sleep. It's got lavender in it, which is known to help you wind down at night time, and it does actually say at the bottom that the sweet nursery rhyme notes are to help you wind down for bed at night time. And I've been using this now for about 3 weeks, and it's really been working for us. And I've been spraying my bed like mad with it, and there's actually quite a lot left, so I feel like it's going to last for a while. It is on a bit of a pricier side, it's about £20 for the bottle, but I mean if it lasts a few months and it's going to help me sleep, then I definitely think it's worth it. Now my next favourite is a bit of an accident find actually. So I was given this by a friend of mine, and since she gave it to me and I've been using it, I feel like it's definitely something now that I'm going to be using in the future when it runs out, and that is the Dior Skin Powder, and this is the Nude Air Loose Powder, and my colleague gave this to me because it's completely the wrong shade for her, but actually it's also the wrong shade for me. So normally this is medium beige, and obviously normally I would be the fairest colour, but it's actually working amazingly as a bronzer, and it's staying on my face for a long time, and it's not cakey, it's so light, and it gives you just a bit of like an airbrush finish. I think it is more on the pricier side than what I would normally wear. I think I was looking online, it's about £44, and my friend gave me this, and it's virtually the whole tub, she's barely used any, so I'm really grateful for her for giving me this. But yes, I'm sure I'm going to buy this in the future, and then I'll probably also try my own shade as well, which is going to be the fairest. I'm not sure what that's called, but whichever the lightest shade is, I'm sure that's going to be my shade. My next beauty favourite this month is some perfume, and I have been using the Flower Bomb perfume by Viktor and Rolf, and if you saw my what I got for Christmas video, this is in there. I got this for Christmas, and it is by far my most favourite perfume in the world. I used to wear it a lot when I was a bit younger, when I was at school, and then when I was like early 20s, and then when I had a baby and we didn't have much money, I stopped buying Viktor Rolf and I bought something that was a little bit cheaper. But yes, I have been buying this again recently. Like I say, I got it for Christmas, and it's definitely something that I've been wearing every day. And because of the, not strong how the scent is, but it's just a really nice scent. And it's not overpowering, but it is really strong. It lasts for a really long time because you don't need to spray everywhere with it. You can just spray a couple of squirts on your neck and your wrists, and it will last. The smell will linger all day. So moving on to cleaning and homeware bits, I'm going to start off with this carpet stain remover, and this is by Dr. Beckman, and it actually won the Which Best Buy Awards in 2018 for being the best carpet stain remover. And if you have kids make such a mess. They throw their dinners when they have tantrums, melting chocolate fingers, and everything gets everywhere. So this has been a lifesaver, and this has been my second bottle this month, because it really does get rid of everything so well off the carpet. It doesn't leave your carpet soaking wet either, because you're not doing like the whole carpet, you're just doing the stains, and it dries really quickly, and it really does get rid of all of the stains, even really tough stains like tomato pasta sauces, which for some reason I can't seem to get out of clothes. Maybe I should try this, but it's coming out of the carpet with this, so I would really recommend this. I got this from B&M, and I think it was something like £2.99, so really cheap, and it definitely is worth the price. My next cleaning item is actually a spray air freshener, and I have been using this for a very long time for my bathroom, and that is the Glade Vanilla Cream, and it smells just like vanilla buttercream, like on a cake or a Victoria sponge. It smells divine, and it's only £1. I got this in Tesco's. I've seen this in all the big supermarkets, so you could probably also get it in things like B&M and The Range, but I think for £1 this is an amazing bargain. It smells delicious, it lasts a long time, and it just makes your bathroom and then your whole house smell absolutely delicious, just like a cake factory. It smells gorgeous. So my next cleaning favourite is this Foam Aroma by Blue, and if you watched my B&M haul last week, you will know that I bought this in my B&M haul, and I was really intrigued to try it. So this is by the company called Blue, and it has worked amazingly. So what you do is you just put it in your toilet bowl every time you flush it, and you just leave it to foam in the toilet water, and it just makes your whole bathroom smell beautiful, and you don't have to use that much, so it's going to last a very long time. We've got about 3/4 left, and we've been using it now for about a week and a half, coming up to 2 weeks. So yes, I would really recommend this. It just makes your bathroom smell beautiful, and you wouldn't think that a smell from your toilet would make the whole room, and pretty much the whole of upstairs actually, smell really fresh and lovely. So my next monthly favourite is actually like a homeware sort of item, and it is these packs of candles, and these are Sainsbury's own candles, and I picked them up in white sandalwood and amber, and they just smell very floral and soft and elegant, no really harsh flavours, and I love to have tea lights around the house. Because they burn quite quickly, I think it's just nice just to pop them in, and because of how cheap they are, this was something like £2, so I picked up 2 packets, and they don't just have these flavours, they have them in so many different flavours, and we also do have the diffuser downstairs as well, which is making the downstairs front room and the kitchen and the hallway just smell beautiful. So yes, having a diffuser I would say is definitely a good idea, especially near a kitchen if you're cooking all the time and you've got smells coming out into the hallway and the front room and things. It's quite nice to have a diffuser just to take away all those smells. So the last 2 items that I'm going to show you are sort of like food / drink. So the first one I'm going to show you, again, you will notice that I got this in my B&M haul a few weeks ago, and that is the Patak's Korma Paste Pods, and these are just a lifesaver, and they're so tasty. So if you're trying to make a curry and you just want to have a quick sort of curry, you don't want to be making everything from scratch, these are amazing. So you just pop one of these pots into the chicken, you add some water, then followed by the Patak's original sauce, and it just gives you the most amazing flavoured curry, similar to better than a takeaway curry actually, more like a restaurant curry, and they're just so quick and easy to use, especially having children. You just want something that's fast, hassle-free, it's not going to make too much mess. So yes, I love these. And then the last item in my favourites for January are these chamomile tea bags, and I picked these up from Lidl's for 40p, and you get 40 bags in there. So I mean, I have one every night before I go to bed, so this is probably going to last me a month and a little bit, and these really do make me go to sleep. So I have a cup of chamomile tea every evening before I wind down for bed, as I'm in bed getting ready for bed, and they just make me instantly sleepy in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just wanting to lay down and drift off to sleep straight away. My partner suffers with insomnia, and I've tried to get him to drink them. He doesn't like the taste. The taste is a bit odd and it probably will take some getting used to, but I love it, and it's really helping with my sleep. So yes, this is a big hit for me. So that was everything in my January favourites. I hope you enjoyed it. If you use any of these products, let me know down in the comments box below. I would love to know if you like them or what your views are, or if any of them work for you. So yes, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked today's video, please leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, I'd love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye!